Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Finland hosts NATO let LCIX counter UAS unmanned aircraft systems testing events to assess new drone detection and defeat technologies. Finland is hosting a series of counter UAS counter unmanned aircraft system testing events linked to NATO Allied Command Transformations Layered Counter UAS Counter Unmanned Aircraft System Initiative, known as LCIX. The initiative is intended to strengthen the alliance's ability to respond to the rapidly evolving threat posed by uncrewed aerial systems. The testing events are taking place in Riihimäki, Turku, Oulu, and Joensuu from 1 to 10 June 2026. Their purpose is to test innovative solutions for detecting and destroying UAS unmanned aircraft system, as well as next-generation communications and data transfer technologies. The series is led by Allied Command Transformation. Practical implementation is being handled by the Digital Defense Ecosystem, the Defense Innovation Network, the Borderland Europe Project, Business Joensuu, Business Oulu, and Business Turku. The Digital Defense Ecosystem is a network of Finnish defense and technology companies and research institutes. Define is a Finnish defense and security innovation network, while Finland's Ministry of Defense is the authority responsible for the test events. The Finnish Defense Forces are providing operational expertise. Their role includes specifying scenarios and situations for testing, so that the experiments meet military needs and reflect current challenges. The Defense Forces are also observing the experiments on site. They are assessing the usability of different solutions tested during the events. The Finnish Defense Forces said development and innovation are being pursued both within NATO and national networks. Results from international experiments feed into the Defense Forces' wider innovation activity. That activity involves broad cooperation with businesses, research agencies, and other actors. The aim is to enable rapid assessment and further development of the most promising solutions. The Defense Forces said innovations are becoming increasingly important for warfare. Technological developments, rapid changes in operating environments, and recent war experience have shown that even a small technological edge can have a major impact. Finland's defense forces have recently increased their focus on innovation. They began coordinating innovation activity at the start of 2026. The new effort brings together operational needs and actors with the skills to address them. It is intended to enable agile experimentation and the implementation of the most promising technologies. The innovation scheme complements traditional long-term capability development. It provides a faster route for evaluating new technologies. The Finnish Defense Forces said international testing events, such as LCIX, are an important part of that scheme. They bring together multinational efforts and expertise while offering a realistic testing opportunity.